We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner on an HP Laserjet 1536 DNF MFP printer. So first thing first, you lift this up, then you're able to lift this part up, and down in here is going to be your toner. This printer takes a 78A, so you just pull it out, unbox your new one, and then you just take your new one, follow the guides, and stick it in there. It's pretty simple. Once you do that, you shove this part and then the top, and your printer will then initialize. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.